What's up, you boys? Later video today because of I had work this morning. Um, was just really busy, so ended up waiting to post today. I did lose today because of, you guys already know, the market and the conditions this morning. I did really expect price to move. I left one runner to this high this morning. First initial trade, we came down, we swept, I believe it was the Asia lows. We swept Asia lows and had a very clean V-shape 1 minute inverse. Trailed straight to my stop loss. This was a pretty bad loss, but I should have just waited for London lows to be swept. So London lows get swept. We inverse this 1 minute gap right here. Let's delete this. And I enter the last 3 seconds because of yesterday's trade. I enter, we've got a decent fill. I think we were in about right here. Targeting that same high. Most of my position off here, one runner to that final high. I did end up taking half my position off at the high because, or I guess most of my position was taken off here because I didn't like how market was moving. Thankfully, or fortunately, it was a great take profit and break even because it took profit, and in that same candle it stopped me break even and then dumped. Something I want to start forward testing pre-market, a trade I almost took this morning. If we come to the 5 minute, I loved the sweep of, I guess, this high. I just really liked this. I wanted to be very bearish coming into the day. I just felt like we wanted to come lower, but we were in a 4-hour gap. And I just don't like taking trades in 4-hour gaps. So let me change this. This is hideous. Much better. But yeah, I really wanted to take this close. It would have played out very well. It would have, my final take profit would have been these Asia lows or London lows. First take profit would have been this. I would have had most of my position off here, runner to these lows. It would have played out perfectly, but again, I'm not comfortable trading in a 4-hour gap. We were in a big 4-hour gap today that we still ended up respecting. So that was something I saw this morning that I wanted to take, but I wasn't too sure. You could see it was the 620 candle. Wasn't sure if market was going to soar at market open or just dump. Didn't really want to put on that many risks. Maybe next time, if I see something like that, I will just enter very light. But yeah, those were the two trades today. We ended up losing $130. Our account balance at 710. But something I am currently in right now, I'm testing this position, but this is going to be like a swing trade, I feel like, at the rate this moves. We came in and we swept these highs right here, and then we had a very clean inverse on these two gaps. So just letting this run to these lows, taking half the position off here and the other half here. I'll let you guys know in tomorrow's trade recap how this trade plays out. Again, I don't know how well it's going to play out because we didn't sweep any major highs. Let's look at hourly highs. It's a good, I guess we did. No, we didn't even wick here, so I would prefer to see us take this off first, but I just entered this because I'm trying to test 5 minute fair value gaps inversions. I really want that to be my main thing. I'm gonna definitely back test some 3 minute fair value gaps when I get off here. Hopefully this holds for a trade, but I'll update you guys tomorrow morning. But that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go eat dinner with my family, and I think I'm gonna be live streaming on TikTok pretty soon. So if you guys haven't, go check out the TikTok. I'm trying to post a lot more on there. I'm just honestly looking for more engagement. I just want people commenting so I can post more videos. I just want to be posting a lot more on that, reach more people, kind of grow, maybe meet people and help people I mean, have people maybe help me, but also helping people. I know I'm not entirely profitable yet, but I'm just trying to get a good following on TikTok, um, to help people out and stuff like that. So if you guys can, go drop a follow. I know some of you are already followed to that. I see you guys in my YouTube. It's mostly the guys that comment in my YouTube, and actually watch these videos through full. I appreciate you guys so much. I see you guys on my TikTok. I hope you guys know that, and I appreciate it so much. But yeah, that's going to wrap up today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Later.